Okay, so for this problem, let's try to solve this problem, guys. Okay, so we have here Regina and Alex's rocket bike can travel at 90 kilometers on 4 gallons of gasoline. How far can it travel at 6 gallons of bike rocket fuel? Okay, let's say for example, this is the bike that Regina and Alex has got. So if it travels 90 kilometers, so this is the length that the bike travels at first, all over the number of gallons at first. So that's gonna be equal to the uh, travel time, okay, for the second trip, all over the number of gallons used for the second trip. Okay, so essentially that should give us 90 kilometers all over 4 gallons is gonna be equal to x kilometers all over 6 gallons. To solve for the value of x, we just cross multiply for this problem to get the number of kilometers that the bike could have could reach using 6 gallons of bike rocket fuel. So it's 90 times 6, that's 500 kilometers, okay, per gallon. Okay, so it's this gonna be equal to uh, 4x kilometers per gallon. Okay, and then if we divide both sides by 4, we can get that the value of x, or the number of kilometers that this bike could traverse with 4 gallons, is equal to 135 kilometers. So therefore, the answer to this problem is equal to 135 kilometers. And that's how we solved it. So let's try this problem, guys. Okay, so this is the fourth problem for ratio and proportion. So Zephyrus, out of curiosity, wanted to measure whether the sides of one of the triangular faces of his Lego blocks pyramid is similar to the bigger Lego pyramid as shown below. So given the illustration, find the value of df of this one, the value of x, and the value of ef, the value of y. So for this problem, guys, we're going to be using ratio. We're going to use ratio to solve for the value of x and the value of y. So we have here our main given. Okay, so since these triangles are similar, we can equate that AB all over DE is going to be equal to AC, since it's given, the value of AC here is given all over DF. And we can also say that AB all over DE is going to be equal to BC all over EF. Okay, the one with the missing ones. Okay, so therefore, if we translate these equations, we can say that 4 all over 10 is equal to 5 all over x. And for this one, that's gonna be 6 all over. Okay, so AB all over D. I'm sorry. So this is still gonna be 4 all over 10 is going to be equal to BC, which is equal to 6 all over Y. Okay, and now we can solve for the values of x and y. So this is gonna give us 4x is equal to 50, and therefore x is equal to 50 all over 4, or 25 all over 2, or 12.5 for this problem. And the value of y is gonna be 4y is equal to 60, dividing both sides by 4. So therefore y, okay, so x is equal to 12.15 and y is equal to 15 for this problem. Okay, so we've answered this one. The value of x is equal to 12.5 and the value of y is equal to 15 using ratio and proportion. And that's how we solve this problem.